there, Tansy here. Today we are opening days 9 and 10 from our advent calendar from the 12 days of Christmas. Soon it will be time to take this tree down. It's getting there. All right, let's see. Day 9. We have a chamomile and lavender herbal tea. I'm not a big fan of lavender, but we'll try it. It matches my hat too. And we are going into the next one. Oop, my honey tea. The stick is here. And then I got a icicle. And I got another icicle for the day 10. And then we have the tea for day 10 is lavender chamomile with probiotics. It's a very pretty design. Look at this. Oh, I should combine those colors, and that they already did the work for me and used it on a label. So these colors go together: the brownish gray, the blue, the lavender, the chamomile colors, white and yellow. That's already done. So definitely we can combine colors of yarn to match the colors of this tea. Isn't that pretty? All right. And then we have the next 17. We have another bueno. All right. Not bad, Kinder. Ooh, we got a big one. This will be a good one. Yup. Oh my gosh. Best. Happy Hippo. That's what we've been waiting for. 19 is right here. They're getting bigger and bigger at this point. We have a Kinder Mini. All right, where's 20? Where's 20? Oh, okay, 20. Oh, there it is, 20. Okay, there it is. And what's that? Another Kinder Egg. There it is. We got a lot of those. Okay, so look at this. The big ones are here. We cannot wait for the last day of opening 4 chocolates. And we need to pick up the yarn. Let's see. Okay, let's see what's left. And my next color is this. Oh, how nice. Like a snowflake. Then we need one more. Pink. Oh my gosh, look at this. They go like baby pink and baby blue. Of course. They'll show stitches really well. Let's pick them up from the back. There it is. Oh my gosh, look how pretty are they. They're so nice and soft. That blend of cotton and acrylic gives a nice fabric as well. It creates such a good fabric. All right, so let's get to the stitching part with those little babies. Chain 3 here, and we can cut our own yarn. And weave it as you go in the back. So this will be our first stitch. We'll count this chain, and then going into the next V stitch, we will do 5 double crochets. And then we'll let this loop go. We're gonna go back at the top of the first double crochet we did, insert our hook, grab a loop there, and pull this loop through top of the stitch, and then chain 2. And we'll do the same thing into the next V-stitch. We'll have 5 double crochets. And then let the loop go. Go back to the first double crochet, grab your loop, pull it through the top of the stitch, and then chain 2 and go back into the next V-stitch. And we'll do this till the end of the row with all these little bubbles. And the next row will be just the V-stitches with double crochets, and then we'll keep repeating those 2 rows till the end of the 2 colors we have. And we'll have a 3D part on one end, and we'll have another 3D part on the other end of our blanket. So when you sit and when you watch TV or you just relax, your hands can fidget with those little bubbles. I wanted to make a nice little fidget blanket for those cozy nights when you're just watching TV and you want to keep your hands busy. And there you go. So I'll meet you at the end of the row when we are starting the second row of the repeat. So here at the last stitch, we'll go at the top of the chain from the previous row and do a double crochet. And now we'll turn. And in each bubble, or these are tulips actually, we'll chain 3 first. And then each of those bubbles we'll do a V-stitch with double crochets. So we'll have double crochet, chain, and a double crochet into the same spot. And then we'll move to the next bubble and we'll do a double crochet. We're going in the middle of that little hole there, chain 1, and again in that middle we do another double crochet. And this is how it looks. So when we go back again, we'll do bubbles in those V-stitches here. And this is how we're gonna go. And that's quite a yarn eater, that stitch. So it will not gonna go for those 7.5 inches we did in the previous section. So it will be a little bit less, but I want to match the width of these stitches since they're both 3D. So I wouldn't want them to go bigger than that measurement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.